Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poster in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com. Canva is a design tool that allows you to create posters, flyers, presentations, logos, and more. It offers a wide range of templates and customization tools that make designing easy and accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Today, I'll show you how to make a professional and visually appealing poster for any purpose. To use Canva, you need an account. You can start for free or use Canva Pro for additional features. The free version provides a lot of functionality, but Canva Pro unlocks advanced features like premium templates, additional stock images, and the background remover tool. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can search for different design templates. Type poster into the search bar and press enter. You will see a variety of poster template options. There are different categories such as event posters, marketing posters, hiring posters, educational posters, and many more. The template you choose depends on the purpose of your poster. If you have a specific event or message to convey, try to find a template that aligns with your theme. For this tutorial, I will create a We Are Hiring poster. You will see many template options. Both free and pro templates have a small crown icon next to them. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can choose a free template or create one from scratch. If you find a template that matches your needs, select it to start editing. Otherwise, you can start from a blank canvas. If you prefer starting from scratch, click on Create a Blank Poster. This will open the Canva editor. Let's explore the interface. On the left side, you will see the design panel with various options. Here are some of the key tools you'll be using. Templates. If you change your mind, you can browse and apply a template at any time. Elements. This section includes shapes, icons, illustrations, and stock photos. Uploads. You can upload your own images, logos, or illustrations to use in your design. Text. You can add text boxes, headings, and body text. Canva also provides various font styles. Projects. This is where your saved designs and previous works are stored. Audio and apps. Canva integrates with various apps and even has a music library if you're working on a multimedia design. Now, let's start designing. First, change the background color. Click on the blank canvas, then select a color from the color panel. A well-chosen background color sets the tone of your poster. I will choose yellow and adjust it to a darker shade. If you're not sure what color to use, try different shades to see what works best. Next, go to Elements and search for shapes. Shapes are useful for adding visual interest to your design. I will add an oval shape from the Graphics section. Resize it and place it in the center. You have the flexibility to resize and reposition the element as needed to achieve the desired layout. Additionally, change its color to red and feel free to fine-tune the shade to match the intended look. This will be the background for our text. You can also experiment with different shapes and layouts to make your design unique. Now, let's add the main heading. Click on Text, then select Add a Heading. Adjust the text size and position as needed and insert the desired message, such as We Are Hiring. Canva has many fonts to choose from, and selecting the right font is important for making your poster stand out. Increase the size, adjust the alignment, and place the text on the oval shape. Posters need bold, eye-catching text, so avoid small fonts. If the text is hard to read, consider changing the color or adding a background behind it. To make the heading more dynamic, slightly rotate it and adjust the line spacing. A simple tweak like this can make a big difference in the visual appeal of your poster. Next, let's add a graphic. Go to Elements and search for Speaker. A graphic can enhance the theme of your poster and make it more visually engaging. Choose a suitable icon from the Graphics section and place it near the heading. Resize and adjust the position until it looks balanced. Now, let's add more text. Click on Add a subheading and enter details about the job position. This should include a short description of the role and key details. Be concise and highlight the most important information. Adjust the font size and placement to keep the design balanced. Add a Apply Now call to action and adjust the font weight to make it stand out. If you want to emphasize a certain part of the text, you can use bold, italics, or different font colors. At the bottom, add a website or contact information. This is important so people know how to get in touch. Use smaller text, but ensure it is readable. Align it properly to keep the design clean. If you're advertising an event, you might also want to include a QR code that links to more details. Now, let's refine the design. Select the heading, go to Effects, and add a shadow effect. This will make the text pop. Adjust the effect settings to get the best look. Shadows, glows, and outlines can add depth to your text and make it more visually appealing. Next, add decorative elements. Go to Elements and find simple shapes or lines. These small details can make a big impact. Choose a light yellow shape, set its transparency lower, and send it to the background. This adds subtle depth to the design. You can also add small lines or icons for extra detail. Once the design is complete, it's time to download. Click on Share and then Download. For digital use, select PNG. If you need a printable version, choose PDF Print for high quality. Make sure to preview your poster before downloading to check for any errors. Your poster is now ready. You can customize any template or create different posters using Canva for business, personal, or event purposes. Canva makes it easy to create high-quality designs without needing professional design skills. If you want to add even more customization, you can try different fonts and colors to see what looks best. Experiment with various design elements to make your poster unique. Canva also offers animation features, so if you're creating a digital poster for social media, you can add movement to text or graphics. Another great feature is the collaboration tool. If you're working with a team, you can share your design with others and allow them to edit or give feedback in real time. This is especially useful for marketing teams or event organizers. If you're designing a poster for an event, make sure to include all necessary details such as date, time, location, and any registration information. You can also add social media handles so viewers can follow your event updates. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you learn how to create a poster in Canva. Thanks for watching.